We're just taking a little trip down the coast to Milford on Sea. It's a lovely little coastal town just on the sort of borderlands of Hampshire and Dorset, and we're on a project that's being built by Paul Dobson at PD Groundscapes, and it's another Tom Hill garden design project. Lovely sort of flowing curves, and the idea behind this one is like a rustic, sort of not too formal, sort of flowing cottage garden with lots of nice sort of trees, shrubs, plants. And to go with that, from us, the clients chose Portmore Limestone. It's like a rustic sort of cottage inspired English heritagey limestone that doesn't look like too sort of contemporary or new. So it's going to really fit in with this local sort of historic sort of area of the New Forest. And yeah, with the curves going on with the design, it's going to look really, really special. The clients are building a lovely house, chosen a really beautiful brick, and there's some really nice details in the property, like the chimney piece. I really love that chimney. That's really, really nice. And we're going to actually come back here when the garden's taken a bit more shape and have a chat with the client as well and get their idea on the ethos behind the build and what they're looking to get out of their garden. So we'll be back to this one pretty soon.